I'm just walking over for the first time on the riverside of the Edison estate. Walking down the main path toward the fountain that you see up ahead there. Filming in front of the study right now. Definitely flooded here. You can see there's a porch under all that right there. Over at the pool area now. Looks like the diving board is leaning. Yeah, it is cracked. There's Doug back there. See if I can climb over this railing. Wow, look at the Ford bathhouse here. Just totally damaged. And this is the Edison main house. And the guest house is in the center over there.
You're gonna film me. I saw my hand.
I've been walking around filming things.
Wait, are we really gonna film?
Yeah.
This side's good, guys. Look over there. Over here's good.
Yeah, this looks a lot better over here. So, for the people who are watching this, if you look right there, that's the river. When it flooded, it compacted all of that on these lattice work things, but we've cleaned this off and these off as well. Walking toward the river here. I don't think this is our boat, but this ended up being washed ashore. That is crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that tree. Wow. Look, look at that dock over there. Oh. There's like something floating out in the middle of the river right there. Looking from the Edison estate toward the Edison Marina, looking at all the boats that are piled up. We're on the Ford property now. If you look over there, you see the estate on the next piece of property over there. Before the hurricane, you couldn't even see it because you had so much trees separating it. But now you can see the actual estate. Ford property looks pretty good condition. It's Henry Ford right there. You look at this, I'm holding it up. This is a statue of a cardboard statue of Henry Ford. And it was laying right here. And it originally was in this building over here. And somehow it must have floated maybe through that door or around the side over here, and it came to rest right there. Standing in front of the Ford residence, looking toward McGregor here. See all the damage due to Hurricane Ian. But as you see, the house is in good condition. That's the Ford cottage shop right there. I'm walking along what is Orchid Walk in front of the Edison estate over here on the front side facing McGregor. Look at all the damage due to Hurricane Ian. Remember riding down McGregor Boulevard a couple days ago, driving past the estate, and I couldn't even see the estate, and I see why, because of all the foliage right here. McGregor is back there in the background. Looks like this collection of stones right here going toward McGregor is a friendship walk, and it looks like none of them really were damaged by the hurricane. On the previous hurricanes, I think it might have been either Irma or Charlie, you had a lot of these stones damaged because of trees that had fallen on them.